Good morning students. Welcome to the computer class of 4th standard. Today we will continue with the chapter 6 PowerPoint 2016. Previously we have learnt about Introduction to MS PowerPoint and starting PowerPoint 2016. And today we will learn about the different components of PowerPoint 2016. So the main objective of the day is what are the different components of PowerPoint 2016 window. So open your computer book at page number 59. Before discussing our main topic, we will discuss the terms, and our first term is title bar. Displays the name of the presentation on which you are currently working. Second is Quick Access Toolbar. Contains the frequently used commands. Frequently means the commands which you use regularly. And the third is Ruler, used to align text and objects on the slide. Align means to arrange the text and objects on the slide. Now, from page number 59, we will do the first component of PowerPoint 2016, that is title bar. It displays the name of the presentation on which you are currently working. Students, you can see this figure here at the top of the window. We are having the title bar. It is displaying the default presentation name, that is presentation 1. The second component is Quick Access Toolbar. It contains the frequently used commands. To add more commands to the Quick Access Toolbar, we are having two steps, that is right click on any command on the ribbon, and second is click on Add to Quick Access Toolbar. So let's do its practical. Students, this is the window of PowerPoint 2016, and at the top left corner this small toolbar is known as Quick Access Toolbar. To add any command in this toolbar, you have to click on this drop down arrow, and you can click on any command which you want to add from this pop-up menu. Suppose I want to add the new button, so click on it and you will see that the new button is added in Quick Access Toolbar. Similarly, if you want to add any command from this ribbon, then you have to right click on any command and click on Add to Quick Access Toolbar. I have right clicked on Format Painter, so Format Painter button is added to the Quick Access Toolbar. The next component is Ribbon. Ribbon displays tabs and groups. Each tab contains commands which are organized into groups. Students, you can see this figure. This rectangular portion is known as ribbon. It contains different tabs like File, Home, Insert, Animation, Slideshow, etc. and groups like Clipboard Group, Slides Group, Font, Paragraph, Drawing and Editing Group. So ribbon contains tabs and groups. The next is Ruler. Rulers are used to align text and objects easily on the slide. And there are two types of rulers. First one is horizontal ruler and second is vertical ruler. Students, see this figure. In this figure, This is horizontal ruler and this is the vertical ruler, and these rulers are used to arrange the objects on a slide. The next component on page number 60 is slide pane. It is the middle section of PowerPoint window where you can work directly on individual slides. You can see in this figure, this white space is known as a slide. Every slide is having two placeholders to type text for the title and subtitle. The next component is slides navigation pane. It is a small window on the left side of the presentation window. It shows a thumbnail view of each slide. Thumbnail means a small view of each slide. You can also add, delete, duplicate and rearrange slides. So let's do its practical by opening PowerPoint 2016 window. Our PowerPoint window is opened on the screen and you can see that this is a slide navigation pane in which we can see the thumbnail view of each slide. Now suppose you want to add a slide in between the second and third slide, then firstly place the cursor over here and click, then press enter key from the keyboard. So you can see that I have added a slide in between the slide second and third slide. And if you want to delete this slide, then click on this slide and press the delete key from the keyboard. Now suppose you want to make a duplicate copy of the mouse slide. For this, you have to right click on the mouse slide and click on duplicate slide. You will get the same copy of the original slide. Now, if you want to rearrange these slides, means you want the keyboard slide to appear at number 2, then you have to click on the keyboard slide and drag it to the upper side. So the keyboard slide now has become the number 2 slide. Similarly, you can drag the mouse slide to the lower side and move it to the end of the slides navigation pane. So this is the way to add, delete, duplicate and rearrange slides in slides navigation pane. Next is notes pane. It is used to add notes to the current slide. It is also known as speaker's notes. Students, you can see in this figure, this is the notes pane. When you will click inside it, then you can type any additional notes related to your slide. The next component is comments. In this area, reviewer may leave the comment for any slide. Reviewer means a person who is viewing your presentation to give any type of comment regarding your presentation. So in this figure you can see that on the status bar we are having this comments section. When you will click over here, you can read the comments that are given by the person who has viewed your presentation. The next component is zoom control slider. It is used to increase or decrease the size of the slide. You have to click on this slider and drag it to the left or right side. The next component is View buttons, used to view the slides in different formats. So on the status bar, in this figure you can see we are having 4 types of views. The first view is known as normal view, second is slide sorter view, third is reading view, and fourth is slide show view. So these views are used to view the slides in different formats. Now we will do the side topic which is given on page number 59. Scroll bars are used to move the screen display towards right or left using the horizontal scroll bar and shift it up and down with the help of the vertical scroll bar. So we are having 2 scroll bars, vertical and horizontal. So let's see its practical. So students, here you can see that this is the vertical scroll bar which will move the slides up and down, and this is the horizontal scroll bar which will move the slide left or right. Now the next side topic on page number 59 is shortcut key. Pressing the Alt key displays the shortcut key for each tab. For example, the shortcut key to open the Home tab is Alt plus H key from the keyboard. So let's do its practical. So students, you can see that by default Home tab is open. If you want to open the File tab, then we must know about its shortcut key. And to know the shortcut key to open any tab, we will press Alt key from the keyboard. When we will press the Alt key from the keyboard, the shortcut keys to open each tab will appear on the screen. Now suppose you want to open the Animations tab, then you will press the shortcut key from the keyboard, that is Alt plus A alphabet. So we will press Alt plus A alphabet from the keyboard, and you can see that Animation tab has appeared on the screen. So in this way, by pressing the Alt key and the related alphabet, we can open any tab on the screen. So students, today we have learnt about the different components of PowerPoint 2016 window, that is Quick Access Toolbar, Title Bar, Tabs, Ribbon, Slides Navigation Pane, Slide Pane, Notes Pane, Comments, View buttons, and Zoom control slider. So do reading and practice of the page number 59 and 60. Thank you and have a nice day.